Okay, this box is seriously sleek. Pixel 10 Pro, click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Let's crack it open. I'm way too excited. First impression. Obsidian finish looks ultra premium. The phone feels solid. Love the aluminum frame. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so scratch resistant. Look at this 6.3-inch Super Actua display. 3,300 night peak brightness. No more squinting outdoors. Super smooth edges, fits perfectly in my hand. Unlocked Android, switch carriers anytime, total freedom. Supports Google Fi, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, all major carriers. Let's power it up. Wow, that boot speed is insane. Next-gen Google Tensor G5 chip, super responsive. Gemini AI assistant pops up instantly. No more typing, just talk naturally with Gemini Live. Let's test Gemini. Ask about today's weather. It answers fast and feels conversational, not robotic. Point camera at this plant. Gemini identifies it immediately. You can brainstorm ideas or get tasks done hands-free. Perfect for multitasking or when you're on the move. Now the camera system. 3 lenses, pro-level stuff. 100x ProRes zoom. Let's zoom in on that building. Details are crystal clear, even from blocks away. 50 MP images. Let's snap a portrait. Skin tones look natural. Background is beautifully blurred. Low light test. Turn off the lights. Photos stay sharp, colors pop, barely any noise. Video time. Shooting in 8K, super steady footage. No shakes, even while walking. Impressive stabilization. Photography lovers, this camera is a game changer. Frequent travelers, you'll capture every adventure perfectly. Battery life over 24 hours. Let's check charging speed. Plug in and it's charging crazy fast. No more battery anxiety during long days out. Design, obsidian color, minimal yet bold. Feels durable, definitely built for daily use. Let's test drop resistance. Gentle drop on desk. No marks, no scratches. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 delivers. Display, watching a video, colors are vivid. Even in direct sunlight, everything stays visible. Switching apps, Tensor G5 keeps everything buttery smooth. Gaming test, graphics are sharp, zero lag. Gemini AI helps with in-game tips too. Let's try multitasking. Split screen, both apps run flawlessly. Storage, 128 GB, plenty for photos and videos. Security, face unlock is quick and reliable. Fingerprint sensor, instant access, no delays. Gemini can even help schedule my meetings. Ask for travel recommendations. Gemini suggests cool spots. Perfect for tech enthusiasts who want smart features. Photography lovers, you'll love the triple camera system. Travelers, the battery and durability are unbeatable. Unlocked flexibility. Change carriers without hassle. Gemini AI makes everything hands-free and smarter. Camera captures every detail, even at night. Display is stunning, easy on the eyes. Fast-charging battery keeps you powered all day. Tensor G5 chip. Speedy performance, no lag. Design is premium, feels great in hand. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protects against drops. Gemini Live, just talk, no more typing. Switch carriers anytime, total freedom. Perfect for those who want the ultimate pixel. If you love tech, this phone is for you. If you love photography, this camera will amaze. If you travel, battery and durability won't let you down. Honestly, I'm blown away by the AI features. Camera system is next level, especially the zoom. Battery life is a lifesaver for busy days. If you want the best Android experience, go Pixel 10 Pro. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Don't miss this upgrade.